In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Discord app. We'll keep this simple, clear, and beginner-friendly so you can get Discord onto your Windows device quickly and safely using the Microsoft Store. Using the Store is a great choice because it verifies the app, handles updates automatically, and keeps everything in one familiar place. Start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can usually find it pinned to your taskbar, or you can click the Start button and start typing Microsoft Store to bring it up in search, then open it from there. Make sure you're connected to the internet before you begin, since the store needs an active connection to load apps and download files. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look toward the top of the window for the search bar. Click into that search field and type Discord. Press Enter to search. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official Discord app in the results. It should have the recognizable Discord logo and be clearly labeled. Selecting the correct app ensures you're getting the legitimate version with proper updates and security. Click on the Discord result to open its app page. This page gives you a brief description, screenshots, and ratings. It's a good place to double-check that you're on the official listing before you proceed. Take a moment to review the details if you'd like, then get ready to download. On the app page, click the button that says Get or Install. The exact wording may vary depending on whether you've added it before, but either option will begin the download and installation. After you click, the Microsoft Store will handle everything for you. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and install status. This may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. If the button is briefly disabled or you see a short delay, that's normal while the store prepares the app. When the installation completes, the button typically changes to indicate the app is ready. At that point, Discord is successfully installed on your device through the Microsoft Store. If you encounter any hiccups during the process, a quick check of your internet connection or retrying the store can often resolve it. Keeping Windows up to date also helps the store run smoothly. And that's it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Discord, clicked Discord in the results, and clicked Get or Install to download it. You're now ready to use Discord with the peace of mind that it came straight from the official store and will stay updated automatically.